Hello, in today's session we are going to discuss about ethical hacking demo. For that we must be having the knowledge about the network as well as the IP addressing. Let's suppose in case we want to hack any network, then generally the network depends on the IP addressing as well as it's concerned to the Wi-Fi connections also. So for those kind of things, what we have to do, first we have to select open, I mean to say advanced port scanner. Then I have to specify the range here, then click at the scan button. Using this tool, it shows that right now these PCs are working on the network, okay, as well as it shows that these are the MAC addresses of these IP addressing. As far as the name is concerned, let's say the name of this first PC is Reliance Waterlines, and IP address is this one. Then MAC address is this one, that is A8:88-F:68:79:D05. Okay. Then again, next one is this one, whose name is ADC, and this one is the IP address, that is 192.168.29.242. so now still it's searching the things on the network. I have to just wait a moment. Now it's have already collected the information of the network. See, in case I am in need of, then I can save this information using this snipping tool. I can take the screenshot. This is the information of the network. Okay, so next tool is to collect the information of the Wi-Fi. I have to open this tool, that is with the name of the Wi-Fi password recovery. Just open this tool and click at the recover passwords. As you can see, right now I am connected with the Wi-Fi network. That is why it will check out whatever the PCs, or we can say whatever the Wi-Fi connections are there on the network. Okay, so this is the information of all the Wi-Fi networks as well as the routers, we can say. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you so much.